Whoa! 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 Right to my left. Right to my left. Oh, he almost took it. There we go. Oh my. Oh! Jeez. Holy sh. Oh my God. He almost ripped the rod out of my hand. What is this? All right. What's going on, you maniacs? I'm back out here on the water. Really calm day again. Nice calm afternoon I'm working with. Can't beat that. We had that tropical storm roll through like 2 days ago, and it missed us, thank God. It went west, but it kicked up some nasty winds, man. Like, I think gusts over 60 miles an hour, and the water just turned into Yahoo chocolate milk. Like, it was disgusting. So I sat the last 2 days out, and I'm back out here, man. I'm pretty excited. Fishing's always more fun when you take a little hiatus, you know? Gonna keep the intro short and sweet. We're gonna start off chasing after striped bass, mostly by tube and worm, unless I see some kind of surface activity or bait. And then after that, we're gonna do some bottom fishing, man. I brought some squid out. Let's get after it. All right, actually, man, before I start trolling, I'm on a huge school of fish, and I saw those school of mackerel. I think they're feeding on the mackerel, man. So I am so glad I brought my mackerel lures out today. I almost didn't, because I wasn't expecting to see them, which is dumb. Always expect to find fish, because you don't want to get caught with your pants around your ankles when you do find them. So I'm gonna start off with this savage eel in the mackerel color. Oh, I just got whacked. Something's whacking me. Hopefully that's not a bluefish, dude. No? Something, oh, God. Never mind, that's a bluefish. God, dude. Look at this thing. I just bought this. All right, the camera missed out. I wasn't even trolling. I just had this out sitting on the bottom because I was checking my phone. Bluefish came and destroyed it. So, I'm trying to stay away from soft plastics. I'm gonna throw out this SP minnow. I'm hearing splashes. I think there's a big school of blues around, to be honest. That's what I'm thinking's going on right now. We got a blitz going on to my right. Yeah, we got a blitz going on. I think it might be bluefish, to be honest. Holy, they are boiling, man. They are boiling. What are those fish? Out of the way, bird. Ooh, it's got whacked. Something just went for it. Come on. Oh, come on, baby. Take it. Something hit me. Oh, one just blew up on it. Come on. Oh, they're blowing up on it, man. There's got to be blues. Like small blues, but this is pretty cool. There we go. Oh, what was that? Are these bones? Or is that just a bluefish running? What is this? I can't get him up. Oh man. Jeez, he put up a fight, dude. Whew. These bluefish are crazy. Crazy fish. Oh man. It's a medium-sized blue. Oh boy, this looks fun. Well, there's a lot of activity in the area, that's for sure. Okay, easy, buddy. Easy, easy, easy. This guy is really fired up. All right, man, a good old-fashioned Rhode Island bluefish here. Whew, he is a fat fish. Look how big his belly is, dude. Oh my God. I gotta admit, as much as I don't like bluefish, that was a pretty fun fight. All right, we got about I don't know, 50 birds going crazy, kind of right near where I launched. So I'm making the journey. They're about probably 100 yards away at least, but worst case scenario, if it dissipates, I can just head back into shore because I'm getting pretty tired anyways. But since I got some ground to cover, I'm gonna chuck this SP minnow out behind me. It's a surface lure, and most of the fish I've seen today have been feeding on the surface, so it makes sense to be trolling that. And it's in mackerel color, which is the bait I've seen around, so we'll see if I can get one on the way over there. If not, it looks like there's definitely fish over there, so let's go. If I were to guess, I'm gonna take a pre-blitz guess here. I'm gonna take a guess that this is bluefish, just from what I've seen today. And they're kind of splashing like bluefish, but you know what? Let's find out, man. It's been a while since I fished a nice blitz from the kayak. Oh yeah, they're splashing, baby. They are splashing. See what we got here. Beautiful cast. What are these fish? Oh, hooked up. So I'll find out in a second. Whoa! This feels like a blue. Yeah, it's a bluefish. It's gotta be. Yeah, it's a blue. We got a bluefish blitz, ladies and gentlemen. These are why treble hooks suck, man. I'm gonna swap out to my single hook popper now that I know what they are. I just gotta get this guy in. The piranhas of Rhode Island. Look at those teeth. Ugh. Alright, since I know these are bluefish, and I really just don't feel like dealing with treble hooks, plus bluefish and treble hooks, they just like really just rip themselves up. I'm gonna be throwing out this talking popper with single hooks on it. Oh, they're splashing right around me. I don't even need to move. See if I can get some topwater blow-ups, man. They're splashing right next to my kayak. Come on. See if I can get in a hit right next to it. Oh, they're blowing up on it. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, man. Got one blow up. Oh, jeez. Oh. That wasn't even moving and he took it. This is pretty fun, man. This is pretty fun. That's a striper, I think. That would be sick if there's stripers in here too. Yeah, it's a striper. Little schoolie. Guess they're in here too. They're splashing literally all around my kayak. Oh man. So sick. And I'm so glad I have single hooks now. So much easier to deal with. Hey bud. There we go. Healthy little schoolie right there. Crushed the talking popper. Later, buddy. Oh, one just blew up on it. Come on, come on. They're blowing. Let's chase it in. Oh man, topwater's so fun, dude. Oh, come on. You gotta take it, man. I had a fish just follow it pretty much all the way in. This is like my first real topwater blowout of the year, to be honest. I think something just blew up on it. Come on, come on. Oh, he's blowing up on it. Oh, he didn't take it. Go on, baby. Blowing up on him and not hooking himself. Oh. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna stick with Topwater. I'm gonna stick with Topwater, but oh, they're blowing up right there. But instead of talking pop, I'm gonna go with this spook. Old spook, a little rusty, but it's got new hooks on it, so it should be fine. Oh, holy moly! He just crushed it. That was a pretty savage blow up. Damn, dude. That was sick. I think this is a striper. That was so cool. Jesus, my arm's getting tired. Oh my, this fish won't come up. What do we got? This looks like a big bluefish. Oh joy, this will be fun to deal with. It's a pretty big size, pretty good size blue. Decent little blue right here. Let's get him out of here. Oh, that was the second to hit the water. Oh my golly. Oh my God. I can't catch up on this fish. Oh, dude. What the? That's the fastest striper I've ever seen in my life. I was reeling at full speed. I couldn't catch up to him. Holy shit. Dude, that's nuts. Jeez, freaking. This guy's got like Albie speed. I managed to hook him with both single hooks. That's impressive. Must have really wanted that spook. Holy moly, look at that. The single hooks is 2 seconds. Freaking fast as hell, man. Don't underestimate a striper's speed. Watch out, bird. Whoa! 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 Right to my left. Right to my left. Oh. This is nutty, man. Oh, they're blowing up on it. Come on, take it, bud. Oh. Dude, I love this. Oh, he almost took it. There we go. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. This is so fun, dude. If these fish were like bigger, this would be insane, but this is still a blast. This is a memorable blitz right here, man. Oh, jeez. I'm speechless, man. This is just so sick. Holy sh! That fish got feisty fast. Holy shit. Oh my God. He almost ripped the rod out of my hand. What is this? That's a freaking gator bluefish. That's what it is. Oh my God. Oh shit. That's a pretty big blue. That's one of the bigger blues I caught all year. Oh yeah, that's a gator right there, man. Holy sh! Whoa. I would not want to be swimming in the water with this thing in there with me. Hell no. That's a big blue, dude. Oh my God, that's a gator. Oh, oh, oh God. That's a scary fish, dude. Oh God. All right, we can try and hold this thing up for the camera. That's a freaking big bluefish right there, man. Holy, that's a scary fish when they get this big. It's the biggest one I've gotten all season, definitely. Dude, I can't get over the size of that bluefish. That was a fat bluefish. Oh, no, hooked up again. Dude, I'm in the water for 2 seconds and I hook up. Oh, I popped him. Oh, that's all right. There's more fish coming for it. Oh, blowing up on it. Oh man, these fish are fighting over it, dude. There we, oh, no, don't have them. Come on. Oh, oh my God. This is so cool. You know what? I'll do one more. Oh. There, oh. Nope. There we go. So fast, I can't even freaking. Holy God! Dude, these fish are ridiculous! Are you kidding me? Oh God, he almost jumped in the boat. God. Holy. Oh, what? What? I'm at a loss of words, dude. Bluefish, honestly, are scary fish. Oh, I got a big school in front of me. Oh, well, that was in the water for 2 seconds. Oh, he's off. Nope, I think he's still on. Nope, now he's off. It's all right, I'm sure another fish will pick it up. Yep. Dude. Oh my God, this is some sick footage, man. Ah, gee. This freaking, I can't even talk. I'm not gonna lie, my arm is getting a little tired here, man. This has to be another blue. Yeah, smaller blue. Yeah, that's fun. Well, I was gonna head in, but, you know, there's more fish around, so what's one more cast gonna hurt? I was in the water for 2 seconds. A little schoolie. All right, man, I'm taking a little breather from the action. There's still fish jumping periodically, but not as crazy as when I first rolled up here. That was pretty fun. Nothing crazy big in this Blitz, but there was a lot of fish, and when you can get them to blow up on topwater like that, man, it's a blast. I want to emphasize, though, how convenient it is to have lures with just single hooks. If I was fishing that Blitz with treble hooks, every single bluefish I brought in would have been a freaking nightmare, man. Those treble hooks, and when bluefish go crazy and just won't stop moving, it just rips their face off almost, and you have potential to hook yourself too. I've done it before. I've sunk a treble hook pretty deep into my hand. It's not fun, so make sure you have at least some lures with single hooks if you're fishing a Blitz, because it will help you catch so many more fish and you can get them off the hook so much faster. That was a huge, vital part of being successful today. Other than that, fun day. I had a feeling it was gonna blow up, and I'll be out here bright and early tomorrow morning, like 4 a.m. So hopefully another crazy video comes out of it. So, see you guys in the next one.